Hi, my name is Dr. Arnold and I'm a dentist in Preston, Lancashire. Recently, I've been getting a lot of messages from colleagues, mainly newly qualified colleagues who are very interested in starting to use aligners to straighten their patients' teeth or just to get more experienced in providing orthodontic treatment to their patients. And, they asked me how I've developed in terms of my knowledge and experience and skills when it comes to providing orthodontic treatment. And in this video, I just want to briefly talk about what I found useful and what you might be able to find useful in developing within orthodontics. So for myself, I started providing Invisalign aligners when I was getting towards the end of my foundation training. My trainer, he provided Invisalign, and I decided to have him mentor me in providing Invisalign to my patients as well. So that was the first step into me starting to grow in confidence and in experience when providing aligners for my patients. And I would encourage anybody thinking of providing aligners, Invisalign, to really look for mentors, people that can help you with cases, that can walk through cases with you and explain why they would do certain things and how they achieve certain results, because that really helped me when I first started. I would probably do this before embarking on any courses, because you want to have some sort of knowledge and experience at a basic level before you go on, really lengthy courses to learn more about aligners. One of the courses which was key in really increasing my knowledge when it comes to providing orthodontic treatment was a course by two consultant orthodontists. It was called Straightforward Straight Wire, and that was a course for about 2 years, 2.5 years, where you learned how to provide fixed braces. You learned the theory that goes behind certain tooth movements, how to assess cases, diagnose cases, and how to treatment plan cases. And because these consultants, they train other dentists to become specialist orthodontists, us as general dentists were getting a really good education when it comes to orthodontics, the theory behind it, and how the theory is turned into the practical of actually applying this knowledge. So that was a tremendously useful course for me to take. I was probably in the first year of being an associate when I decided to go on this longer course, and it really gave me a strong, solid foundation when it comes to providing orthodontic treatment. Because at university, at dental school, you do cover orthodontics, but not in a great deal, and you don't actually get to treat patients in dental school when it comes to orthodontics. So I found that doing that course really gave me a confidence to carry out orthodontic treatment. Now, it might be that you find a different course which is a year long or 2 years long, but I do think it's crucial that if you're serious about providing quality orthodontic outcomes for your patients, that you do take a comprehensive course so that you can really get to understand the fundamentals and the principles of orthodontics. I was really passionate about providing aligners, particularly with Invisalign, for my patients. So even though I went on a fixed brace course, I really wanted to get better at providing orthodontic treatment through aligners. So I decided to go on a diploma, the Clear Aligner Diploma, which runs for about 1.5 years. And that has been a great learning experience for myself. It really helped me to tailor my diagnosis and my treatment planning for adult patients who want aligners. So that was really reinforcing the orthodontic knowledge I'd learned on the fixed brace course, as well as now really fine-tuning my approach with patients who wanted clear aligner treatment. So I I've had a great time on the clear aligner diploma, and it's been useful in giving me a structure as to appointment, how I approach my patients and their cases when it comes to Invisalign treatment. Building on from that, I found that I've been able to go on extra courses like the Complete Aligner program, which is run by 3 orthodontists who use aligners a lot. They're some of the top orthodontists when it comes to using aligners in the country and worldwide. So it was a 2-day course, and in that I was now able to really, learn how to push aligner treatment to its limits and be able to get exceptional results with aligners. So starting to understand in a deeper way effective movements and protocols as to how to get the most out of aligners when it comes to straightening my patients' teeth, how to stage treatments or how to stage movements with aligners so that the whole workflow is much more seamless in terms of things like IPR and when to get the patients back. So I found that 2-day course really took how I provide aligner treatment to another level. But I feel like it's important to have that solid foundation in orthodontics before you start doing really niche courses like this, 2-day courses like this, where you'll now be able to get the most out of it because you've already got a strong foundation and grounding in providing orthodontic treatment. So I've now found myself being in a position to be able to help my peers, colleagues who are maybe struggling with an Invisalign case or want some advice on how to plan a case. And I'm really enjoying being able to mentor and give advice to colleagues. So, if that's something that you would benefit from, help with your Invisalign cases, advice for your Invisalign cases, then feel free to email me, send me a message, and I'll be more than happy to help you. I'll see you guys at the next video.